Boy, we got the new update. The grotto. What? Eminem. This is like Hollywood. Oh no, we'll see. Oh wow, the whole lobby. I'm gonna go through here. The whole lobby is here. What? Wait, let me get this guy real quick. Let's go down. Please don't shoot me. I'll go right here. Right? It's open. I'm gonna wait. What the fuck? What is this POI? Just killed himself. Wait. I want to heal first. No! No! I'm gonna kiss the chest real quick. Alright. I can hear the Eminem song. I can hear Eminem. It's shocking though. Bro, work like. Can I get a shotgun? Okay, give me the shotgun. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna pop this truck real quick. No way. Oh. Bro, I'm not. Okay. I can't see anything. I'm like. What's happening, bro? Oh, I killed some. I need to heal, bro. He's gonna bomb this place. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's right here. No, I'm gonna die to Eminem. Wait. Oh, you see my tip? So this is the new Eminem guy. Wow. Wow. Wait, there's a wall here? I'm gonna heal first, so then we're gonna open the vault. Okay. Let's see what's in. I think somebody's camping there. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Oh, what a crazy game. Look at this. No. Oh, wow. Oh, tactical. Give me the tactical. Bro, why did he break it? Oh, she's stories, yeah. Wow. Oh, a llama too? What? Oh, I got every. Let me get my kids. Do I even need the scar? Nah. Let me get these minis. You know what? Fuck the minis, bro. Give me the grappler, bro. Never mind. Oh. Okay, let me take this rift. Wait, like, look at this. This is so good, bro. Oh my god, bro. What? What is that a llama? Oh shit. Can I get some heals? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh wow. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh my saints. How did I miss that? Oh, that's an AI. That's an AI. This gun is so fucking good, bro. Like, let me little edit curse. Nah. Oh, it's 1v1. It's 1v1. Wait. Oh shit. Oh shit.
There's so much I want to say,
Oh my god, I'm stupid as fuck.
but I don't know where
What
to
the
start.
fuck? Oh my days, bro!